It was just being so sick and tired of that lifestyle to where I'm like, okay, I need to make a change in my life.
Clifford Walker is the Cowboy closer fighting out of southern Dallas, Texas.
Ooh, doggy.
Who took himself from truck driver to real estate investor, author, really runs a charity now outside Texas, feeds over 300 families a month.
I have a nonprofit that I run. I'm a full-time husband. I'm a full-time father. I also ranch cattle when I can. And so I just got a lot of moving parts. So I want to make my life as simple as I possibly can.
And he truly has a faith-based mantra that he's out there to find lives that want to be changed, and he's finding the right ones that can connect with him.
I'm a spiritual man. I do believe that it was kind of God intended in pointing me in that direction.
He does flips, he does rentals, he does wholesaling. He gives amazing tips during this episode of how to find deals, how to choose what your exit is. Should you rent, should you flip, should you wholesale?
I think that's a huge rabbit hole that we can go down, and I think that it really just depends on the person.
What should you be doing to find these deals? What's the best way to do it if you're just starting out, you don't have a lot of money? How to pick the best neighborhoods, and then how to find the people that are going to give you money to buy your deals.
Well, you should probably be calling those sellers and say, hey, I got another property in this same area. Are you looking for another one? Like, those are your buyers right there.
Thank you, Clifford Walker, for coming in and being a true gentleman and truly a great podcast guest.